rear differential locker, and we're just gonna drive this nice and smooth all the way down to the side right here.
Oh.
And it's really crazy how this thing can
Whoa.
all the way. And now it feels like you're in 21 degrees. How y'all?
We're doing good. Y'all doing good back there? We're on video.
As I drive this, you know, it's really insane how this thing can be able to like drive as well.
Oh, wow.
On top of that too, you know, we're gonna just drive this as smooth as well. Now, what's cool is like, you know, this one has so many different cameras. You can see all the different surroundings. And on top of that too, Bronco has actually introduced this program known as the Off-Roadeo, where you get to actually learn all the different off-road techniques with our Broncos too. So now, you know, as you're driving over here, and it feels like, you know, you're about to fall off, but it's just nice and comfortable too. Now, on top of that too, I like the fact that I can be able to navigate my tire cameras as well, because those are actually my front tires where we're driving like now.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down to neutral, and then I'm gonna switch this one all the way back down to rock crawl. And my goal is to balance this vehicle on 3 wheels over here. So it's gonna change it from 4 high down to 4 low. Gives me my rear lockers and my stay bar disconnect. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive this down over here, and I'm just gonna cruise on up real slow. And then once we get right about here, I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here, turn my front locker, and then we're just gonna be rolling with her over here. So my goal is to balance this thing on 3 wheels right now. So as you're driving over here, we're gonna go on one side over here, and then we're gonna go on the other side over here. And then on top of that too, you know, that right rear tire is in the air. So now we're just balancing this thing on 3 wheels right now.
Oh, and we're bouncing.
Yeah, so we're bouncing real nice and smooth, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's really crazy. So we're just waiting for my good old friend Shara to roll down, and then I'm gonna just bring that left rear tire down, and then now we're just pretty much teeter-tottering right now, right?
Oh.
So watch this. That's the stay bar disconnect. So it actually like disconnects this bar so that you can have independent suspension on both sides.
Oh,
so,
wow.
now I'm gonna just bring this all the way down over here.
Oh, wow.
Too. So now it's time to climb up this good old mountain.
Okay.
Now this mountain is a 40-degree incline and a 40-degree decline. So as we drive through here, you know, we're just gonna wait for my friend Sarah to roll on up real quick. And the good thing is you can actually like go ahead and put it on trail control, where it can act like a one-pedal drive. So if you're uncomfortable with like left foot braking and stuff, you can use this as a one-pedal drive, so that you don't have to hover from gas to brake. Or you can actually like let it roll, and we can actually wait over here. So we actually put me on park. So give me 1 second. There you go. Now we should be good. All right. So the good thing about this one too is like the fact that you can be able to drive all the way over here very smooth as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn my front and my rear locker on, and then we're gonna go ahead and roll all the way up to 3.5 miles an hour, and I'm gonna take my foot off the gas and the brake, and then this thing is just gonna climb up all the way very, very nice and smooth.
Oh, wow.
Just like that.
Whoa.
It's
like a roller coaster.
And we got that nice little bump to add more degrees to it.
Oh.
And then now we finally made it all the way to the top. So congratulations if you had a fear of heights, you just made it through the first half. So now I just turned off my left foot, turned off my everything. So I'm just pretty much using my left foot for braking, and we're just driving this very, very nice and smooth. And it's really amazing how this thing can roll through. And,
whoa.
you can't even
I'm like pushing on my seatbelt. Whoa.
You feel like you're standing, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's really amazing. So, and just like that, that's how you get to enjoy this good old Bronco on rock run mode.
Oh,
so now,
wow.
Let me switch it back up to Baja, and it's going to change it from 4 low back to 4 high. And then once it's done, we should be good to go. And that, my friends, is how you get to enjoy this nice Bronco through this obstacle course. So, thank you guys for riding with me today. We should be good. And now, if you guys want to win the sweepstakes on the half-day adventure, you guys should actually like sign up over here as well. So, thank you guys for rolling with me, and we should be good to go.
Thank you very much.